Okay, so I've been an entrepreneur since I can count. Okay, that's the first thing. And one thing that I've always found is you don't put all your eggs in one basket, because if the ship goes down, you're not going to have a lifeboat, basically. And with this market, like Brother Dennis was saying, is down. This is a sale, and because we have multiple streams, like we're able to grab from other pots to be able to take advantage of this for when everything levels out. So a millionaire has at least 7 streams of income, and there are different types of income. It's not just, oh, I'm gonna buy low, sell high. They have royalties, residuals. It's just a whole lot of different forums. You guys can take your own time to really look and see, because the IRS actually has definitions for types of income. So that's something you can do by yourself. But if you want to be a millionaire, you're not going to be able to do it off of one stream of income. That's impossible. I mean, if you ever thought that, it's not going to happen. So in crypto, you don't have to come out of crypto, but you can get it so many ways. Like I was sitting counting for when. So I keep this list of just ways that I can get free crypto, right? I got 65 ways of those. I was looking at all the things that I'm doing as far as mining, games, social media, my goods and services. All this isn't through crypto now. 12 of those. So I got 65 avenues plus 12 different streams that I can tap into at any time. You think a down market is going to phase me? I'm like, oh snap, is it my birthday?
Hey.
And like, you gotta do that. Like, and you wouldn't think like like Brother Dennis was saying, what are you doing this for? What is your goal? Because right now, like, the sentiment should be excitement, because I didn't even think I was gonna be able to see Ethereum at this price again. Sad. Like, you want it to be good, but you also want to get a bang for your buck. So you always want to get you want to get the best price. And now I'm like, man, it might not ever. Let me hurry up and get some, because it might not never ever again.
Ever.
I'm able to do that. Like, I can help other entrepreneurs, get their businesses up, and I get residual crypto. I get paid Bitcoin every single Thursday for just helping business owners. Y'all, we got people, and I mean, whether you want to admit it or not, like, everybody feels some kind of way about the attention they do or do not get on social media. Like, it really is impactful. If you look at our younger generations, it's affecting their self-esteem. You know how impactful it is to be able to tell a kid, like, man, you can go buy whatever you want just because you're using your social media. They don't care if they have 100 followers. They want to get that Amazon gift card. Quit playing.
Talk to them. I don't think they hear you.
That's what I mean. So what? I made a post today. I'm earning. I could pull from my social media accounts if I wanted to. I get sales rate.
I don't know if they got that, Daz. I don't know if they got that. All she did was post on social media, y'all. That's what she's trying to tell y'all. I don't know if they got that.
I have social media accounts that pay me in crypto for what you do for free. Okay. I don't like free searching. I don't like free liking, free commenting. I like platforms that like to give me assets for my participation. Now, if I'm already on these free platforms, why wouldn't I do that to bring up some assets? It's not costing me nothing out of pocket. And I can then use those for the assets that I really, 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 really want. I'm a leverologist. I'm trying to spend other people. Not mine.
And let me add to that real quick, because you ain't even bragged about yourself yet.
Hold on. Real quick before you say that, I gotta say this. In other words, what she's trying to tell y'all, Daz don't leave no coins on the table, y'all. Okay, bro.
She surely don't. But one thing she did do yesterday, while we was all looking for, it was a fire sale. We was able to buy NFT for $30 and $120. I didn't get mine. I tried my dangest. Told my whole group about it. Ms. Daz was able to get her a $30 NFT that she can use to generate $10 weekly residuals. Think she tripping on a down market? In 3 weeks, it will pay off what she bought yesterday.
How do you want it? It's so many ways. How do you want to get it? I think every person needs to have at least 3 different ways that they can acquire crypto. At least.
If you're gonna make it over here,
you need 7. You need 7 types of income. And I want to say, like, there's multiple streams and there's types of income. You need to have 7 types. There's 7 different types, all of them. You need active income, you need passive income, you need royalty income, you need dividend income, you need it all. And you can get all of that from cryptocurrency.
Hey.
One-stop shop on the blockchain.
Matter of fact, let me drop that link. You drop the masterclass link yet?
Yeah, we're having a masterclass at the end of this month because we just
I got it.
Some ways that you can, start getting your assets from all kind of ways. Crypto flows to you easily and effortlessly and increasing amounts from multiple sources.
Woo! I received that.
Guys, we can't
imagine if you just had 7 streams consecutively 5 years from now. We cutting down retirement times around here. We cutting down times around here.
Look at speed.
She's not lying to you. We met.
Can we have that class today?
Say it again, bro.
This Sunday now. Can we have that class today? Right at the end of the month? No.
No, it's
rough right now.
That would be considered a master class. This is a free class.
Yeah, we're gonna have 2 hours to sit down and really talk about some options because we got options. Y'all know most people just got a job for the income, and they put up with so much crap for a check. When you got options, what y'all ever seen that show? Everybody Hates Chris. Oh, I got 7 streams of income. I don't need these. That's where you gonna be able to say. It's all. Yeah, I'm excited. I'm gonna get this link.
Yeah, I dropped it. It's in there.
How much is that masterclass, guys?
$47 whole dollars.
One more time.
Only $47. That's it.
$47 whole dollars.
Be able to get this information. Ain't gotta be over the head.
They got people selling this type of information for $1,500, $2,000, all that. Guys, see.
$5 grand.
I want to put something out there real quick. Because the 3 of us all take different type of business type classes to learn how to produce our product and things like that. And every single one of them says that y'all should charge $1,500. That's the only way people are going to respect you, right? That's the only way they're going to give you what you deserve for that class that you're talking about having. And we was like, nah, because we wasn't those people that could afford $1,500. And that's not the people we even looking to help. We want to help people that was like us. We want to help people that wanted the information, but only had $50 to spare. Like that was me. Okay. Man, I had no more than $50 in the entire month to really fit into myself. And we wanted to make sure that we're affordable. But guys, please help us prove these millionaires wrong. That we can reach who we want to reach. We can reach our audience at $47. What they're telling us is that you can reach more people by charging more. And they're kind of right. But please help me show them that they're wrong because I don't want to charge more. I don't want to charge not a single $47. I want as many of y'all I can get that we can show how to do this. It's only for $47.
$47 whole dollars, y'all.
If this don't work, we're going to bring the same exact class out for $1,500 and we're going to tell y'all the outcome. If we get more people at $1,500, all I'm gonna say is it's y'all fault. You know what I mean? Now we're gonna keep doing $1,500 classes. What else we supposed to do at that point? But it's $47, guys. $47.
Let me back to the mindset, right? So again, that's what keeps people down, right? They don't realize the difference between cost and value. I'm gonna say that again. Cost and value does not necessarily mean the same thing. So what you got to realize is it's costing you not having this information. Every time you get up and go to work to that job you hate, with that boss you hate, with them people you hate, you got to pay that cost, right? So it's either you pay a small fee to get free, or you stay a slave. Period. And I'm off the mic.
Them is facts.
I mean, there's just no excuses. If y'all come to these classes, there's no reason you should not be winning. And you got options, period. You just got to pull the trigger. You got to pull the trigger and come get the information. Because we don't mind giving it to you.
You got 1,000 people in the Discord. 1,000.
I mean, crypto just changed my life personally. Like, I've been in this game a long time. And when I found out, not only was the things I was doing for free, but also the things that I was being exploited for, that's really what it is. If y'all want to really get onto it, you go on these
Absolutely.
other sites, they're exploiting your habits instead. And so at least pay me. You can use all the information from it for top dollar, and I don't get nothing. You want all my ad money, and I don't get, man, they talk, okay, on a business aspect, free marketing, free advertising. You get free advertising? Like, literally, you don't got to pay for ads because you use the crypto that you already got back into some of these platforms. And you're not throwing bows for reach. Why? Because they're smaller communities, so you get seen. It just don't make no sense to me. I'm just saying, you got to explore some.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, I heard it from here first.
Another thing too. Okay, so if you sell a product, right? You sell goods and services, you get paid one time. You deposit it, you spend what you're gonna spend on, put a little in savings or whatnot. When you get paid in crypto, and I've had this happen with 3 different coins, okay? I accept coins that I think are gonna go up, that are easy to transact, that are cheap to transact with, right? Imagine getting paid for one product and it goes up 3 times in value, the coins, because you just have it sitting in your business wallet. It's like getting paid 3 times. It's like selling one product 3 times, but it was only one transaction. I'm talking about, you got options like that. Would you like to be able to, learn how to do that? Get triple the value on your products from just changing the way you accept payments?
Easy money.
All right. Yeah, I heard it here. But this isn't just a commercial or advertising or it's trying to get y'all to pay anything. We always still love to give our people free information. I'm about to drop a bomb on y'all right now. Hope y'all ready. Hope y'all got some pen and paper. And I told y'all during these Sunday classes, no, I will not show you exactly how to do anything. We will show this in our classes. But I will at least show you what you can start looking into. The name of this is Start at Last. Y'all ready for this? Have your phones in your hand. Everybody, grab your phone right now. Get it ready to be able to scan a QR code. You got an Apple phone, Android, whatever. I don't know how y'all phone work. Get it to the point to where you can scan a QR